Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of delete account on the application of X Twitter. You will go to settings. In this page you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will go down until you find X Twitter app. In this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will go to this window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache. In the end, you can go to Play Store. You will search about X Twitter. And here you can update your app as you see. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.